One of the ways to increase your businesses for 2026 is adding a lead source. Like for instance, if you're not doing expired listings, there's new expireds and there's old expired listings, okay? So one of the things I find a lot of agents I coach do well with is doing old expireds. So if you're not doing expireds at all, okay, you may want to consider the new ones, but the old ones are a great source too. You just go back in time. So you start with, let's say, the first 6 months of this year. If you're happy, then you go back another 6 months. There are services that'll do the data for you and so forth, or you can do it yourself. You look it up. You just want to make sure that the last time it expired, they didn't relist. And talk about, a demographic farm. I mean, these are people that were on the market, that were raising their hands, that said, hey, you know what? I want to sell my house and I'm willing to pay a commission. So it's a very simple script. It's in the book of everything. Hey, Rick Berube, Berkshire Hathaway, I see your home was on the market a while back. It didn't sell. I was calling to see when you'd like to get together and talk about getting it sold this time. All right, the whole script is in there. But just to give you an idea, so, you can go back. I mean, I used to keep 4 years of old expired in my database, and I would call them a few times a year. All right, usually once a year I leave a message. Hey, Rick Berube, Berkshire Hathaway, calling you about your home at Oak Street. Please call me as soon as possible, and my phone number. I never used to tell them why I was calling. You're gonna get more callbacks if you do that. Okay, so new expireds are great. You can go visit them, you can call them. Old expireds, same thing. Obviously, if you're using a service, they still tell you that it's on the do not call list, but don't call them. I love when people tell me, what do I do with do not call list? Well, it's kind of self-explanatory. You don't call them, but you can go visit them. So maybe you have a plan where I call the ones I can and I go visit the ones that I can't call, right? Put together a little pre-listing package, go out and see them. I can tell you right now, if you do this or version of what we just said for the next 30 days, you're gonna start feeling the difference, if not already been taking listings. Give it a shot.